in gate G. There's another Miracle Lounge in here. That's the one. This one is Miracle Lounge Business Class. The last one that was Miracle Lounge First Class. This one is Miracle Lounge Business Class. Let's check it out. What kind of food they offer. This is pretty small one. Let's check. This one is pretty small, very small sitting area, and probably pretty much same food, but we want to quick do a video. Orange juice. They have black label here.